What's the meaning of concave? Concave. Concave.
Concave. Concave. The term concave refers to a shape that curves inward, such that the interior surface is depressed relative to the exterior. This type of shape can be seen in various objects and structures, such as a spoon, a cave, or a bowl. The primary characteristic of a concave shape is that its curvature is such that it forms a hollowed-out depression or indentation. This type of shape can be visually striking and can serve functional purposes as well, such as collecting or containing materials within its interior space.